Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you all methods to jump up with the ball. In the beginning, while standing, you can press L1 button and you can press R3. Thanks to this, you can prevent sliding opponents. Also, you can press L2 while standing to kick up the ball and move with it forward. If you are standing in the place, if you do it, you'll kick up the ball in the fancy way. Next, while running, you can simply press R3 to kick up the ball slightly. Thanks to this, you can make powerful shot. And that's basically it. The last way to kick up the ball is by pressing L2 and R1 to start juggling. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.